Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a PS5 controller to a Kindle Fire. First, ensure your DualSense controller has sufficient battery, ideally above 50%, for uninterrupted gameplay. Similarly, check that your Kindle Fire tablet holds a charge of at least 25% to prevent unexpected power loss during the connection process. This setup does not require any additional software downloads or special adapters, making the process straightforward for everyone to follow along easily. To begin, take your PS5 DualSense controller and locate the small Create button, positioned to the left of the central touchpad. Simultaneously press and hold this Create button along with the larger PlayStation button, found directly below the touchpad. Continue holding both buttons together for about 3 seconds. The light bar on your controller will then start flashing rapidly, indicating it is actively searching for a device to pair with, allowing you to proceed to the next step. Now, pick up your Kindle Fire tablet and swipe down from the top of the screen to access the Quick Settings panel. Tap on the gear icon to open the main settings menu, then find and select Connected Devices, followed by Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on, then tap Pair New Device. Your Kindle Fire should discover Wireless Controller or DualSense Wireless Controller in the list. Simply tap on it to initiate the connection. Once successfully paired, the light bar on your DualSense controller will change from rapid flashing to a steady blue color, confirming its connection to your Kindle Fire. You can immediately test the connection by using the joystick or directional pad to navigate through your Kindle's menus and applications. If the connection fails, simply restart both your Kindle Fire and the DualSense controller, then repeat the pairing steps from the beginning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.